I buy ready meals by the dozen and cook them in the microwave oven and eat them in front of the telly. I'm such a mess since you've been gone. I don't care to do the washing. I've got a plastic bag with old socks in. My shirts are getting smelly. I'm such a mess since you've been gone. Since you've been gone, I feel like a man. Well, I don't give a damn, no. I'm falling apart. I think I'm dying of a broken heart. I've stopped going out on Fridays. This whole thing has knocked me sideways. I don't think I have it in me. I'm such a mess since you've been gone. My clothes no longer fit me. That's how hard it's hit me. I'm looking terribly skinny. I'm such a mess since you've been gone. Since you've been gone, I don't give a damn. I feel like a man, y'all. Well, I'm falling apart. I think I'm dying of a broken heart. It's hard to cope with this loneliness. You see, I couldn't care less since you've been gone. I got to get my head straight before it's too late. Since you've been gone, I feel half a man. Well, I don't give a damn, no. You see, I'm falling apart. I think I'm dying of a broken heart. I think I'm dying of a broken heart.